so this is a finished look of this super pretty unit right here. So I'm gonna read all the specs off my phone so you guys get the full tea on this unit. So as you can see, this unit was sent to me from OMGHerHair.com. So this is 100% Indian Remy human hair, guys. This is their short pixie cut with a C part. So I did not change a part on this unit, guys. This is exactly the way it came to me. All I did was do pre-style on my wig head, and that was that. So this one is 8 inches long. It is 180% density, which I can attest to. It definitely is a nice full unit. This is a natural color. It has about 4.5 inches of parting space, and it is a glueless lace front wig cap. Now this one also has a brown lace color, and it is pre-plucked around the perimeter. Now with this unit, guys, this was the easiest install ever, like dead ass easy, because this is a glueless unit. All I did with this unit was pre-styled on the mannequin head, which I always tell you guys and encourage you guys to do, especially for the people that don't have time to do a full style, like sit down in the morning and style. If you style overnight and put it on the wig head and then just pop it on the next day, you are good to go. This unit is 100% glueless, guys. I will show you guys. It lifts up and comes right back down without any issue or any delay. I think that this unit is super pretty. I did a lot of the 8-inch bobs this season, well, like into the mix of the season when summer and fall was coming through. But now that we're into fall, I think that this is still a cute little hairstyle. The holiday seasons are coming up, and I know people have plans and stuff like that, and you want to go for something nice, sophisticated, and cute. I definitely think that this wig is the way to go. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. Overall, this is a super thick density type of short bob, but all the curls are defined, fluffy, and just gorgeous, which I really like. Now, I do have a $10 coupon code if you spend over $100, so I'll leave that down below in the description box. This unit, guys, is only $89 right now with free shipping, so I highly recommend if you're looking for something sassy and fun for the holiday season, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year, something just to start off fresh and nice and pretty for the holiday season. I definitely think that this is a super cute unit. I don't know, I had to put a different top on just to show you guys this because I felt like it just gives me so much of like a fun kind of happy-go-lucky look with this type of hairstyle. I do have a Shein try-on haul, huge Shein try-on haul on Friday, this Friday coming up. So this shirt actually will be featured in that try-on haul, so stay tuned for that video. Like I said, guys, I think overall that this was pretty much easy. It did come pre-plucked, but you know me, I'm a little extra, so I did go in and tweeze just a little bit extra off just to give myself more of a realistic flow through. But you guys can see up close and personal. This unit is super fun. Everything about it is just what I expected. When I first took it out the pack, I was like, dag, that's a really, really short curl. But then when I put it on and seeing how, you know, how buff it was and how kind of it framed my face slightly, I was like, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and rock it out. I did attempt to draw something like that, to cut like a little bangs into this one. What I'm going to do is actually wash this and recut it again and let it air dry so I can see the real volume of the curls. I did let it air dry a little bit while I was cutting and styling it, but it didn't give me the full kind of like ringlet dry that I wanted, similar to what this gave me after I let it dry last night. I did put a little bit of styling mousse on my hair once it was dry, so I'll leave the styling mousse in the video for you guys. Love that product. It was only $3 at Walmart, and it does the job. So I did overnight, let it dry overnight with a little bit of styling mousse in it, and that's it. And it gave me this beautiful curl, which definitely matches the back. Everything about this looks absolutely terrific, guys. I feel for low maintenance people, people that don't have time in the morning to really do all that kind of extra mess, style it on the wig head, put it on in the morning, and you're good to go. This legitimately is just like a quick and easy install. As you guys can tell, I did not do anything extra for this video. Chop and cut parts out. It is what you see. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will leave all the information down below per usual. They do have an awesome Halloween sale going on from the 16th to the 31st. So make sure you go ahead and check out the website and find yourself a nice unit to wear for the season. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.